All right, guys, welcome to Credit Game. This is the only channel I come to you every single day. And the reason I come to you every day is so you can learn, educate yourself, and really understand some of the fundamentals of credit, finances. We're talking about all kinds of things. In today's topic, we have a lot of people that are asking us. But before that, do me a favor. If it's your first time ever coming across me, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if this basically resonates with you. Because again, we put a lot of time into these videos and it helps us out. So smash that like button, give us a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. And lastly, if you want the knowledge every day, turn on that bell notification. Just click the little button up there. There's a little bell. Click the bell so that way when the videos are coming in, you're getting access to the videos. Remember, anything you do more than one time is worth doing every single day. And that's why I come to you every single day. So here's what our clients are asking us. How long does it take to have good credit? How long does it take to have good credit? Well, this is a very simple, easy video. I'm going to keep it straight and to the point. It takes as long as you want it to take. Well, what do you mean, Mike? How long does it take to have good credit? Well, I've got a 580 credit score. You see, most of our clients come to us somewhere around that 580 to 600 credit score. And they always ask me, how long does it take for you to get, like, how do you have an 827 credit score? Well, what happened is I went through from 514 to 827 in a short period of time. And the reason that I created the Credit Game, okay, was because for me, I created it for me. I didn't create it for you guys. I wanted to put a platform together, basically had everything from A to Z on how to fix credit, to how to understand credit. And then once I had a beta testing on myself, then I said, well, let me share it with the world because it works so good. Why would I not want to share my love and expertise with everybody? I've been doing credit for literally going on a decade now. Been, with some of the accolades, been ranked #1 trade line company in the world for many years. And I know the proprietary information you need to have your credit repair done faster. So I'm going to give you a little analogy here. Okay, let's suppose that you are walking through a minefield, okay, from the military. And you had this on, okay? We're going to pretend that these are blindfolds. And you are walking through a big field. And what I need you to think about as your eyes are closed, because you can't see, is there are landmines everywhere, okay? This is kind of how the analogy works for credit. And as you're walking through, because you're blindfolded, you don't know where I should step. Should I step here? Should I step here? I'm scared, right? I'm scared because I don't have the education. I don't know where I'm moving, okay? So here's what we do for you. We do this. And not only do we take off your mask and we show you that you can walk through, but we also show you where the landmines are so that way you could literally step through without hitting any of them. That's the difference of how long it's going to take you to do good credit and have the credit done for you, and knowing you want to make it a 3-year process, use some of these companies that'll drag you along by a month-to-month service, and they're going to drag you for 24 months. It'll take you 2 years. At best, they're going to remove 1 or 2 things, maybe per 60 days. Or you can take the blindfolds off, and then I can show you where all your landmines are for the next mile, so you can go from point A to point B and never blow yourself up. That's the difference of how long it will take. You could literally run through this landmine, and you can run through it in 60 days or less, because that's what our platform is. If you're looking for credit repair and you're looking to raise your credit score, there's a couple ways. But the first thing is removing the negatives off your credit and adding trade lines. But what if you knew exactly what trade line to get, what credit limit you should add, how much age should be on the trade line? I actually even put together a whole platform to show you, if it was my credit, what I would do for mine. This is the trade line I would add. This is the trade line I would add. This is the primary I would add. I literally did it for myself and then again shared it with you guys. That's called the Credit Game, okay? Now, on top of that, not only do I give you the entire education platform that you could share with yourself and do your own credit repair, not only do I give you the whole education platform that you can do it for a spouse, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a family member, a cousin, a coworker, a client. It's duplicatable. So once you have it, Everybody can share it. And then that's how the national credit average credit score goes up. Because I share it with you, you share it with them, they share it with their people, and all once, next thing you know, everybody's credit's going up. That's the picture I'm looking for. So the answer to this question, where most people want to know, is how long does it take to have good credit? It takes as long as you want. But the first step is to take the blindfolds off and know where the landmines are. And that's what I show you. Because at the end of the day, having good credit gives you a lot of options. Okay? So where you guys are talking about, I want good credit. Okay, well, why do you want good credit? Right? I got people on Instagram that I'm blessed. Right? They bought a 2012 Dodge Charger. They pay $750 a month for it, and they're talking about they're blessed. You're not blessed. You're getting hosed. You should be paying $350 for that same vehicle at best. So again, what is it that you're looking for to have an 800 credit score? If you want an 800 credit score, you'd be able to walk into any dealership and you tell them what kind of interest rate you want. You tell them how much down payment you want. How would you like to get into a new home? What would it feel like to get into a new home? What would it feel like to get into your first home, a brand new vehicle, to have high limit credit cards instead of getting credit cards that are $300? Aren't you tired of having the Credit One Bank, the Capital One Platinum card, the most basic 29% interest rate credit cards that almost every person with bad credit has? Why? Why would you want to do that? So the answer is this. The answer to getting your credit repair done, how long does it take? It takes taking off the blindfolds, knowing where the minefields are by my platform. And then the action step is to say, you know what? Now that I've taken the blindfolds off and I've shown you, you got to call me. I can show you exactly where these are. I implore you to do that. In fact, what I'm going to do today is if you call me, I'm going to give you a consultation for free. Basically, that's what you're going to get. So you call me, I'm going to look at your credit. I'm going to say, hey, here's what you need to do. Here's what you don't need to do. Here's how you take the line. Here's how we take the mask off. And this is where exactly you need to go in this 60-day period so that today I'm at a 590. But what does that look like in 60 days? Well, in 60 days, it looks much, much better because now you know how to navigate through this field and you didn't get blown up along the way. So you want to take 2 years, 3 years, trying to learn it yourself? Let ego get in your way and continue to do that. Or use one of this bullshit companies that are going to drag you out for 2 to 3 years, charging you a monthly fee. Or you can have the help that's like proprietary letters I used for the last 8 years and Elite Credit Repair and have coaching from me. Literally, we got a program right now where you get coaching for the next 6 months. I personally, not one of my coworkers, I personally coach you to help you through for 6 months. Okay? This is a program that you're going to love. So on top of all that, let me do a free consultation. Okay? No obligation. Call me up. Let me see what's going on, what's not going on. Let me take the blindfold off, show you how to get there. And you can do this much faster than try to figure it out on your own. Okay? It's very, very simple when you learn the credit game. Call me for my free consultation. I want to give it to you right now at 904-420-7772. 904-420-7772. I'll be waiting on your call so we can go through it, get this blindfold off, and you can start your credit journey so you can get the things you deserve in life and stop living by cash on everything and actually be able to leverage credit and get a new vehicle, maybe a new house, maybe whatever it is you're trying to do. And that's the good feeling. That's the feeling you want. Be the hero, not the zero. Okay, guys, I'm looking for your call. 904-420-7772. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you turn on the bell notification. I'm coming to you every day. And then also, smash the like button. That helps me out. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for watching Credit Game. My name is Mike. And guess what? I'll be waiting on your call. Till tomorrow. Take care.